Today we'll be fasting of words, so no speaking and no solid foods.
Awakened, 8 a.m. Work, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. No food, no speaking. Alarms, arms and legs. Workout 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Sleep 1 a.m. to 8 p.m. Rinse and repeat.